once a day. Take a step back. And just try to be a child. Try to be a child. Try to dream, try to wish, try to imagine, and see if you can make it happen. Today we are living in a world where basically everything is possible. See, what would you like to do with this treatment modality that is, according to many experts, is the best treatment modality? But what is the future of that? You and I can decide that.
Now it's good to know that we finally, past several centuries, we have one autoinflation device that is extremely simple to use and can be used basically at all ages. The main goals here was to reduce the grade of epirection, to improve possible hearing loss with these children, and reduce the need of surgery, which we managed.